Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as premium heated cloth bucket seats, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning as well, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this black leather and plastic finish on the door. You're going to have a little extra storage just right on the bottom. And the speaker come right up to the door handle here. Of course, it's going to come equipped with your power locks, power mirrors, and power windows as well. Moving on to the seat, it's power adjustable driver lumbar. Unfortunately, it is only the driver's seat that is power, of course, but they are both heated as well. On the left side, you have your lighting control. And moving on to the steering wheel, on the left side you have a cruise control, forward collision alert, and like your lane keep assist. And on the right side, your voice recognition and your media control. Behind the steering wheel, you have your seat track button and of course your volume button just right there. Of course, you can have the classic analog and digital speedometer here that you can contribute to your fuel mileage and so much more. Of course, you have your climate control with your rear climate control as well, and your heated seats. Of course, you got two USB ports, an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC port. And onto the infotainment screen, you got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Navigation is only accessed through OnStar services, so you'll have to speak with an OnStar advisor. Of course, you have the center console here with your cup holders, little key holder, your parking brake. You got a little extra storage there as well. It's gonna have that same stitching and finish on the passenger side here. That same finish on the door, but only with the power mirror and the power lock, power window, I apologize. And you got your center dash there as well. And of course, the glove box, and you're gonna have your sunglass case holder there as well. You're gonna have these 17-inch alloy wheels with the classic Chevrolet badging. You're gonna have your chrome Equinox badging. You're gonna have these paint match mirror caps and door handles. Power. Sorry, not power, that is the keyless entry there, I apologize. Of course, you're going to have that chrome badging and the blackout badging just on the back here as well. I'm going to have tons of extra storage space here. A little extra plug with the extra weather mat. As well, you're going to have 12-volt DC port just on the side there. If you lift this, you got storage for your wheel well as well. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear interior, it's going to have that same finish here with the speakers just on the bottom of the door. You're going to have that extra storage paneling just on the bottom. Of course, when we get in, you're only going to have the compartment behind the passenger seat. It's going to have your ventilation back here, and of course, two USB ports there as well. As well, you got a little cup holder and armrest right in the center. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar services, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, heated seats, and so much more. Thank you for watching the videos. Keep subscribing. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.